My name is Kiran Makkar, and today I am going to discuss with you an essay that has been seen on the 1st August 2015 in China in the IELTS academic writing test. The natural resources such as oil, forests, and fresh water are being consumed at an alarming rate. What problems does it cause? How can we solve these problems? The time has come for international soul searching about the environment. The Industrial Revolution has changed forever the relation between humanity and nature. In this essay, I intend to explore the problems caused by the increased consumption of oil, forests, and fresh water and suggest some solutions. So, this is a problem solution essay. And in the introduction, I've touched in two sentences, I've touched the gravity of the situation and then my thesis statement, which is uh, for any problem solution essay, you have to write like this. So the time has come for international soul searching. That means at an international level, the time has come that we have to search our souls to care for the environment because we people are damaging the environment. The Industrial Revolution brought about by humans has changed the relation between humanity and nature. So, in this essay, I will explore the problems caused by increased usage of oil, forests, and fresh water and suggest solutions. So, my plan in this essay is that three things are given: oil, forests, and fresh water. So, I have divided my body paragraphs. One I have dedicated to the problems caused by the increased usage of oil and then solutions. Second paragraph, the problems caused by the increased consumption of forests and then its solutions in the same paragraph. And the third paragraph I have given about fresh water, I have dedicated it to fresh water. So my plan has become very simple by doing like this, but you can also write the problems caused by increased consumption of these three things together in one paragraph or two paragraphs and then suggest solutions together in the next paragraphs. So this is, there are many ways to tackle a problem solution essay and this is one of them. Talking about oil first, it is well known. So it is well known that oil is non-renewable. So oil is non-renewable and so will finish very soon. Pollution is another problem that is caused by the use of oil. Oil is used in vehicles, industries, and homes. Simple measures can be taken to lessen its use. At individual level, we can use more public transport, we can make lifestyle changes and use fewer luxuries. At government level, people can be educated. More effort can be done to research alternative sources of energy. So in this paragraph, first I have talked about the problems caused by oil. That is, first is that it is finishing very soon. It is non-renewable. It takes millions of years to make this fossil fuels, and pollution is another problem. And the solutions I have divided into two: at individual level and at the government level. Secondly, water, especially fresh water, is another big area of concern. There can be no life without water. Water is the most precious commodity today. Fresh water resources are depleting fast. At individual level, we should use water conservatively and recycle water wherever possible. At government level, desalination plants can be set. Strict laws can be enforced for industries against pollution of fresh water by effluents. So here I've told that water is the most precious commodity today. There can be no life without water. So that is the problem being caused by the lack of water. There can be no life without water. And fresh water is their resources are depleting very fast. At individual level, we can use water conservatively. We can use it stringently, we can use it with care. And at the government level, um, desalination. So desalination, because there is no lack of saline water, sea water, ocean water. We have lots of water, but it has to be, the salts have to be removed. So desalination plants remove those salts and they convert the sea water to drinkable water or potable water. Potable. Potable water is the water fit for drinking. And then strict laws can be enforced for industries against pollution of fresh water by effluents. Effluents is the waste produced by the industries. So in this paragraph, I've talked about the problems caused by lack of water and the solutions. And then I've talked about forests. Finally, because of deforestation, many animals and plants which provide us food, medicine, and other valuable products are facing extinction. We have less biodiversity also. Moreover, when trees are cut, the soil is exposed to heavy rain and so is washed away. The soil also becomes infertile. Also, trees absorb carbon dioxide, which causes global warming because of the increase of greenhouse gases. So, when there are no trees, so trees absorb carbon dioxide, which increases. Trees absorb carbon dioxide. Here, the point of view is not coming out very clear. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, and uh, which causes global warming. And if there are no trees, here I should make it in another language. If there are no trees, there will be increase in the greenhouse gases. There will be increase of greenhouse gases, and this would not be good for our environment. Then afforestation should be promoted as a solution. See, afforestation means planting trees should be promoted as a solution. If each one of us plants a tree and nurtures it for a few months, then the day is not far when we shall have greenery all over. So in this paragraph, I have touched with the problem of deforestation. If forests are cut, then many animals and plants which provide us food, medicine, and other valuable products will die out. Um, they are facing extinction. We are losing them, and biodiversity is also becoming less. And then soil erosion also occurs, because if the trees are cut away, then soil is washed out and becomes infertile. And then when trees are cut, there's too much carbon dioxide in the air because there are no trees to absorb that, and then this is not good for the environment. So as a solution, we have to do reforestation or afforestation, and each one of us should plant one tree, and then the day is not far when we'll have greenery all over. In conclusion, I would like to reiterate that oil, forests, and fresh water are very necessary if we have to survive. So we should use them judiciously, else our future is bleak. So this is my essay, and the plan is very simple. One para to oil, one para dedicated to fresh water, and one para to trees, and then there's the conclusion. I hope you've liked the essay, and this also has been repeated. It has been seen in the past in some about 2-3 years ago, and it has been repeated now. So all the essays are being repeated, and this book, A Wealth of Academic IELTS Essays, contains about 400 such essays. I think about 350 such essays which are being repeated from time to time. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such essays. Thank you.